chocolate. It's going. Here we go.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
How you be so short? I know where to go.
Psych. Oh, this could be horrible.
My other shoe there.
What? Oh, okay. I was like,
I'll never know it's us.
what is that there? I don't know.
There's a Black Riding Hood at your service.
That's gross.
I can get creepy if I want to.
Hello.
Like my outfit.
It's so beautiful. Don't leave without me. Going down. That was sharp and pointy. What was that? Okay, that's creepy. That's really creepy. You know what I do? I think we should take some pictures in here.
What if something like randomly took me and glued in?
Oh,
That's upstairs.
that scared me. Where's the faucet?
Where's the chapstick?
I found the chapstick. This is making me nervous.
It looks like a mummy.
Ew, it's like my grandma's basement.
This is super gross.
I know.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Oh, it says keep out. They'll never know we were there. But if they do, avenge our deaths. Let's break the rules. Rebel. Something. Look at all them pipes. Oh, I'm under the ceiling.
Good smell.
Putting on the roof.
It smells really bad.
Smells like someone's been smoking in the elevator. Psych. Okay.
Is that the laundry room?
I don't think that's the laundry room. The laundry room's like up to the elevator and beyond.
Oh.
And beyond. Did you get that? And beyond.
And beyond.
And beyond. It's like hey, look, a step ladder. Staff ladder. Where's the failure? I found the failure.
Staff ladder.
Wonder how many bugs get caught up there daily. It's like the sun. Don't get too close, you might burn up. Really? Really now? Is that the look you're gonna give me? Button on the roots. I can't open the door. Looking. Handle. Ding! Button on the roots.
So sad.
This is a really long video.
Yeah, I know.
Shall we end this failure?
Yeah.
Yeah.